all my friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is Nissan Civilian Boss. This video will learn vehicle AC repair and gas charging. This is gas and gas charging gauge. Here I have three pipe. Blue pipe for low pressure. Red pipe for high compressor. Yellow pipe for gas cylinder to pressure meter. Check the gas number and gas charging port. The first we need to open this cover, and this inside have gas charging port. This L for low compressor and H for high compressor. This is the cylinder. Now I connect the pipe low side or high side and check the gas. Now we need to check gas from red pressure gauge. This gas charging port is back side of driver seat. For gas checking we need to start engine and AC. Start AC. Now I'm checking the gas. How many psi? We need to check from red pressure gauge. I open the valve. Here I have small gas. That's why I'm going to refilling the gas. We need to refill gas from low compressor. Check the blue meter. We need to refill very slowly. Now I refill the small gas. Then I'm checking the gas. I'm again refilling the gas. Not enough. That's why again I will check the pressure from high compressor. Now around 200 psi. Check the gauge. How many psi? Make sure we need to charge gas from low compressors only. Now I am charging this gas 134A. This is the low pressure. This is the high pressure. We need to charge gas from low compressor. Only 30 to 35 psi. For high compressor, need 220 psi only, not more than 220 psi. Now already 220 psi. That's why I am going to remove the pipe. Remove pipe, then put the gas charging port cover. This I already put high and low. Please like, subscribe and comment, my friend. Then whatever we remove cover, this cover fix now and put a screw. Now I'm going to put a screw. Thank you for watching.